Welcome back. I'm your host, Asa Kane, and this is the place where I've been teaching you how to build wealth and freedom through crypto for over 4 years. Today, we're breaking down a fundamental piece of the crypto world, and that, of course, is stablecoins. Now, if you're new to crypto, or even if you've been in it for years, understanding stablecoins is essential. Now, they're the backbone of decentralized finance or DeFi. They protect your profits, and they're the bridge between traditional money and the crypto world. So let's get into it. Before we go any further, it is extremely important that I tell you that we operate through a strict social contract here on this channel. I share with you my experience, my knowledge, my understanding, my personal viewpoint. You learn, you in turn contribute back to the channel, and you can do so with any stable coin and any other number of ways as well. We'll be going through all that. But first, make sure that you hit the bell notification, subscribe, and also hit the like button. That helps this video to get out to others like yourself who are new, who want to learn, and who want to start earning immediately. What are stable coins? Good question. They are cryptocurrencies that are designed to maintain a steady value, usually pegged one to one with a traditional currency like the US dollar. That means that while Bitcoin can go up and down like a roller coaster, stable coins say, well, stable. Examples you've probably heard of: Tether, USDT, USDC, DAI, DAI. Now, the idea is simple. Instead of worrying about volatility, you can hold or transact an additional asset that behaves more like cash. You understand? Going from left to right, gentlemen, why do stablecoins matter? Number one, DeFi powerhouse. They fuel lending, borrowing, staking, and yield farming. Number two, safe haven from volatility when the market dips. Many traders move into stablecoins to protect our profits. Number three, liquidity and trading. Stablecoins are the main pairings on most exchanges. And number four, borderless transactions. Each has strengths and weaknesses, but fiat backed and more transparent than bank wires. Okay, take notes. I hope you're taking notes already. I shouldn't have to tell you this. And now we're going to be moving on to the types of stable coins. There are actually different types of stable coins, and it's important to know the difference. First, there are fiat collateralized. These are backed one to one by real dollars in a bank account. Example, USDC. For every coin issued, there's a dollar or equivalent asset in reserve. Now they're in the center. Crypto collateralized. These are backed by other cryptocurrencies. Example, DAI. Now, if you want to mint DAI, you lock up Ethereum or another token as collateral. And the last one is algorithmic stablecoins. These use supply and demand algorithms to maintain their peg. An example would be Terra Luna, which is, we all know how Terra Luna ended up. But each has strengths and weaknesses, but fiat backed and crypto backed are generally considered more reliable. All right, so remember this. Now, what we're looking at here are things to look out for: centralization risk. Coins like USDT and USDC rely on centralized issuers. Now, if regulators crack down, accounts freeze or reserves aren't properly audited, that would be terrible. Algorithmic risk. Some projects promise stability through code, but as we saw with Terra, those can collapse and wipe out billions overnight. And I covered Terra from the beginning, from the very beginning. Smart contract risk. If you're using stable coins in DeFi, remember that bugs or hacks can drain your funds. And so, yes, stable coins are useful, but you still need to practice good risk management. I see that typo there. I'm going to fix that. But other than that, take heed to everything else. All right. Now, how to use stable coins safely. Digital savings account. hold USDC or DAI instead of leaving cash sitting in your bank account. Number two, protect profits when you want to lock in gains from Bitcoin or Ethereum. Move into stable coins instead of selling back to fiat. Number three, DeFi opportunities. Put stable coins into lending platforms, staking pools, or yield farms. Turn passive income, gentlemen. And number four, global transactions. Use them to send money internationally in minutes with lower fees than banks could ever even think of offering you or would ever think of offering you. You're welcome. Now, we've been talking about stable coins this entire video. I want to let all of you know that on the Patreon that I just launched, I've put three brand new videos that I am invested in, three new projects, I should say, that I'm sharing with all of you that are getting ready to take off in the next 60 days. You can get them here on Patreon. Right here, you can see access to highly researched pre-sale tokens and coins, $50 a month. No members yet. I just launched it. Be the first. Get general support from yours truly, early access, exclusive content, and member shout out. Now right here, look, let me show you. I did these Sunday and Monday. These coins are getting ready to take off. As a matter of fact, one of these three coins is guaranteed to be at least twice as much as its launch price is going to be twice as much as its current price when it launches, and that's been made known by the company. So sign up now. Now, if you've learned anything new from watching this video, show your appreciation and your support for my work in this channel by making a contribution in a way that makes the biggest difference and has the most impact. That, of course, is financially. Now, you can do so in a number of different ways. Ironically, by making a contribution of stable coins to our address that you see right here. What we do, we use this as fuel. It enables us to continue create life-changing content for all of you, because not only am I sharing my personal insight knowledge, which cost me tens of thousands of dollars to acquire, but also my time, my resources, these tools I share with all of you that I create for all of you. All these things cost. So show your appreciation now. You can also contribute anything built on Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, as well as Solana. Now, any token built on any of these blockchains. All right. If I'm you, I'm in the library. I'm learning as much as I can and going from there. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.